Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate square root on Excel. Microsoft Excel has many formulas that you can calculate anything. You can also calculate the square root, then you can use this simple formula to find the solution of square root. Let's learn how you can do this. In my Excel, I have a original number value. Based on this value, I have to find the square root. So I have to add the square root formula, that is equal to SQRT. Then you have to add the open bracket. Then I have to select the row what we have to calculate the square root number. Then we have to close the bracket, then hit enter. That's it. The 4 is the square root of 16. So if you would like to apply this formula to all rows, you have to select the row and just drag it. That's it. It's automatically calculate the square root of all numbers. So in this way you can calculate the square root on Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.